What's going on, YouTube? It's your man Jason Speed with You Love Speed TV. As you can see, I got a little yard project I'm working on, my never-ending honey-do list. It's all good though. I'm laying some grass, laying some sod, putting some papers down. Wait till you see what I'm doing, what's here behind me. Right now I'm about to go change clothes, get to work. Check us out. All right, I'm back. We're gonna work on this little spot first, taking off all the mulch and putting some gravel in. And I got my supervisor out here to make sure I do it right. Say hi, Linda.
Hi.
Check it out. All right, so we got came up a little bit short with the rocks on the beds up there, but we can go back and get a couple bags more. Now we got all this to work on. We're gonna put some sod down here and put some pavers. It's gonna look cool. Check it out. Man, we out here putting in work, y'all. As you can see, so far so good. It's coming along. We're gonna make one quick trip to Home Depot and hopefully get back before sunset. Get some more pebbles, more rocks, and maybe one or two more pieces of sod, just to be on the safe side. So we gonna do that. Be right back. Okay, we're back from Home Depot. We got all the stuff we needed. We actually finished, but because we lost the sunlight, I'm not gonna show you until tomorrow morning. So hang tight. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. We'll holler at you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next morning. I'm just getting back from the gym. I just got my butt kicked with the F45, but I figured now it's time for the reveal of what we did outside yesterday. So once again, I'm gonna show you on the screen. This is the before, and now this is the after. Doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. Looks way better than what it did. Of course, we got plenty of grass with plenty of sod. It's got some topsoil on it now, so we're gonna let the grass, grow for about a month before we start cutting it. But now we have a little bit of a walking path, driveway extension type thing for when we park two cars out here. So we'll have to park right next to each other, ding each other's doors. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys thought what we did looked good. Comment what you would have done differently or what you liked about what we did. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.